Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a millet series recipe. Today we are going to be making instant bajra Uthappam. Now I've made a plain Uthappam in today's video, but you can add vegetables to this to make it more healthy. I've served it with some tomato chutney, the recipe for which is already on my channel. I'll leave link below, you can check it. The ingredients list required for this dish is given below. Do check it out, and for more such millet recipes, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. So I've laid out all the ingredients required for the Uthappam. I've got some bajra flour and semolina and a little bit of salt in a bowl. Along with this, I've already finely chopped some onion, green chilies and ginger and some coriander leaves and kept aside. And now I've also beaten some curd which is at room temperature. Now we're going to make the batter, for which first we add in the onions, coriander leaves, ginger and green chilies to the mixture. And then we are going to use a spatula to mix everything together. Once everything is mixed, we'll add in the beaten curd to this mixture. So once the curd has been absorbed by the flour, we'll just keep the batter aside for 10 minutes. So I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water gradually into the mixture and make it into a Uthappam batter. Make sure you mix it really nicely so that all the flour is mixed with the water. Now I'm adding a tempering of coconut oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves to this. You can use any oil of your choice. I have used coconut oil because I prefer that. Now mix the tempering into the batter and let this sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to add some baking soda. You can use fruit salt as well to this mixture. Mixing it well. And then the Uthappam batter is ready to be prepared. So I've greased a dosha tawa with some oil and I'm going to pour a ladle full of batter to it and then slightly spread it. Now it's time to add some gingerly oil on top. Cover it with a lid and then let it cook nicely. Once it's cooked from the bottom, you can either flip it or serve it the same way, whichever way you like. So these Uthappams turned out really tasty. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe.